Hi, this is Paul from ReviewOutlaw.com. We're looking for a little bench to take off our shoes that we could roll in and out of the way. This corner over here when we come into our cabin. So we're going to wainscot this wall. We want something we can just slide out and put in. This way if we take off our shoes, and show the shoes underneath. And this is a foot bench. This is, if you look under like shoe bench or kind of corner bench, you can find this. We'll put a link on Amazon so you get the right one. It's pretty cool.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
The thing that I thought was pretty cool about it, let me take this out because I was playing with it. But when you buy it, you open it up and like, hey, where are the pots, right? All the pots are in the secret compartment. So you can get a secret compartment with this bench. It's an add-on feature. So in here are all your pots, and there's a strap in here. So it's pretty cool. And then the nice part about this, very nice material, very soft, very cushy, and comfortable, and super easy to put on. All you're gonna do is put these washers on, screw these legs on, and it's done. And you're gonna be screwing those on. So all you do is put this on, screw on. You're gonna do that 6 times, and when it's done, I'll show you when it's finished.
If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.